how to add multiple stops on Lyft. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can actually add multiple stops to your Lyft ride. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe that you want to go from place A to place B, but in between you want to stop at a mall, or maybe you want to stop by to meet someone or whatever else. You can actually do that while you're booking a ride in Lyft. So in order to do that, first of all, we're going to go ahead and just launch the Lyft app. And then once we launch the Lyft app, what we want to do is, first of all, we're going to choose to enter our pickup location, right? So I will select from where I want to be picked up, and then I'll simply choose for the place, or you can also simply tune on your precise location in order for the Lyft app to simply select your precise location. Now once you've done that, you can choose to add a destination, but before that you can simply add a stop by tapping the plus icon over here. So just tap on it. Now you can select whether you want to stop first, or whether you want to reach destination, or whether you want to reach the destination first at the very top, then add a stop afterwards. So first of all, in this case, I'll just select a stop, right? And then after I've done that, I can also simply go ahead and select my destination. Now after that, what I can do is I can simply select to actually add a stop first and then add my destination. Now after you've done that, you'll be able to see your stop in between in that case, and then you can select a pickup time and so on. So you can select a transit, and then you can select the more option, and then just tap on the select Lyft option over here, and then just tap on confirm and request. If you want to add a note for driver, you can just tap on the add note option, and you'll be able to simply add a note such as gate Kate, or I'm at the corner of whatever else, and then just come back over here and then just select the option called confirm and request in order to add stops to your Lyft ride. That's all it takes to add a stop to your Lyft ride. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.